Next we'll put that slinger ring back onto the motor shaft. Make sure that the shaft is free of any oil. If necessary, clean it with alcohol. You want to make sure this shaft is totally dry. Next we'll reinstall the pump flange. To do that, you want to start your 4 bolts by hand. And then tighten them down with your 1/2-inch wrench. Okay, now we can install the new seal. In the 3430-0332 kit is the new seal, the new seat, the new friction ring, and a new O-ring. We'll lubricate the outer portion of the seal seat. We won't be lubricating the seal itself. Put a little oil around the edge, and then you want to make sure that the seal seat surface is clean and there are no scratches or chips in it. And to install that, drop that straight in and use that 1-inch PVC pipe. Being careful not to scratch the seal surface. Push it in until you feel it bottom out, and again make sure that it's clean of any debris. If there's any oil on this pump shaft, make sure you clean that off. You'll notice that the shaft itself has a rough surface. The reason for this is to grab onto the inside of the seal itself, so this will rotate with the shaft and that seat stays stationary. So we'll use that PVC pipe again to install the seal, making sure that this surface is facing down towards the ceramic seat. Put the friction ring back on.